G'day, I'm Ian and this is my workshop. Today we're going to give the lathe a break and do some fabrication work. It is winter here and it is cold. I'm going to make a fire pit for the yard. If that all works out well, the next video will be making a heater for the shed. But we'll start out with the fire pit and yeah, let's have a look, see what materials I've got to work with. Yes, I went and bought some truck drums. I got 4 for $100. So that's going to be my fire pit. We'll sit up that way, fire in there. All we need to do is cover in this bottom a bit. I want to let some airflow in. Now originally I was just going to get some kind of mesh or a grate or something put in there. I saw on Marketplace all these laser cut bits of steel. I went and had a look there today thinking I could find something, but yeah, that was the best I could do. So I think I'll just weld that in and then I'll cut some of this. Fill all that in. That'll let some airflow underneath it. Ash and stuff can drop out the bottom. I've got some rail spikes for feet. I'm going to put 3 legs on it. On there, around there. Yeah, that's the base welded on. Goes pretty well for a cheap gasless welder. I think it was only about 179 bucks. It's only got 4 settings. You've got min, max, 1, 2. That's it. Wire speed. Just ground them up. Ground a bit of a point on it. It's going to just sit in there like so. Weld all around it. Oh yeah, legs are all welded on. Will they hold it up or do I need gussets? Let's have a look and see. Oh mate, look at that. Yeah, I'll just give it a bit of a wire brush, clean off some of this spatter. That gasless welder throws a fair bit of spatter.